Please like, subscribe, and consider supporting our channel. The full raw, uncensored, no narrations, no captions, and unedited version of this body cam footage can be found in the description below. Please consider joining our Patreon. Subscriptions and donations will be used to acquire more public footage related to law enforcement activities. It really helps us do original full-length reporting like this. Sharing this video serves a compelling public interest because it is intended to illustrate the consequences of shoplifting, trespassing, resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, and being under the influence, and discourage others doing so. Defendants are considered innocent until proven guilty. Thank you all for the support.
Don't bury your head. You need to talk to them and tell them what's going on, okay?
Hey, good evening, guys. My name is Patrolman Connor. I'm patrolman with the Borough of Highlands.
I'm sorry.
Just so you know, you're being video recorded, okay?
Okay.
All right, what's going on?
My boyfriend just drove off with my car, my keys, my pocketbook, everything in his car. I have nothing else in this world than my car, and my keys, and my pocketbook. This lady, who was a bartender, just tried to start a fight with me before I even walked out of the bar. I walked out of the bar, and when I came back in, because he drove off, she goes, "I'm just cutting you off."
Around 12:05 a.m. on July 15, 2023, Patrolmen Antonio Flores, Kevin Connor, and Michael Richards with the Highlands Police Department were called to report of a disorderly female at Driftwood Liquors located at 300 Bay Avenue. They arrived on scene and made contact with the female, who had been escorted outside the bar, and she was identified as Leah. She claimed that her boyfriend had driven away, and she admitted to getting into an altercation with the bartender after she refused to serve her any more drinks.
And I took tips that were on the table that he left for her, and I put them in my pocket, and she got real nasty with me about that, and she tried to fucking come around the bar and attack me, and so I fought her. I threw the tips on the other side of the bar over here, and the woman whose daughter also is a bartender here saw that and has been defending me this whole time. She's the only person who's been defending me. I'm not from this town, so I don't have friends in this town or whatever, but and I am drunk, so that's fair enough, but
Where are you from?
I'm from Hazard.
And your boyfriend?
Rob Herbeck.
He just left and took all your stuff.
He just left. I was running after the car trying to pull open the door to get my pocketbook out of there.
Okay. So you took...
And she got nasty with me before I even walked out.
So you...
Saying, I was like, "Oh, can I drink you?" "Oh, from my tip?" I was like, he didn't just leave. And he didn't leave at the time. He was like a little mad or whatever, but he didn't leave.
Alright, so you took the tips off the bar, and then she got mad,
and she came around the bar and attacked me.
Okay.
And so I threw the tips on the other side of the bar because I'm not a thief.
Alright, nobody's saying you are. Okay. Alright, I'll be right back, okay? She's 41.
Rather than glasses.
Check your mask. They were on my face. I always have my glasses on.
It was right here.
Because I'm
the
clip.
That's your clip. What do you mean?
No, I know my clip was there.
Jen.
Are you the bartender?
Yeah.
Alright, can we go back here?
Sure.
Alright, thanks. I just gotta let you know you're being video recorded,
Gotcha.
okay? Alright, so what happened?
What's that?
What happened?
Her and her boyfriend had gotten into a little tiff, whatever.
Okay.
So the boyfriend went outside, whatever, and she's like, "I want another drink," and I told her, I said, "I'm not taking your drink out of my tip." And she's like, "He didn't fucking leave." So then she went outside, and I saw the boyfriend pulling away, and she was running after the car, opening the door, running after the car. So I said to her, "You're done. You're out. You're done." Mm-hmm. So she went back to her seat and scooped up all the money that was on the bar that wasn't hers. So I said to her, I said, "Hon, that's not your money." So she's like, "Can I curse on camera?" She's like, "Fuck you, C-word." I'm like, "Oh, no. So I walked around from behind the bar over, to tell her, I'm like, that's not your money. And she came at me and she started going.
Did she hit you?
Oh,
Yeah?
quite a few times.
Quite a few times? Okay.
Yeah, quite a few times.
You don't need medical attention?
I do not.
Okay. Where, in the face?
My head, my face, my arm.
Okay.
And I was like, I hit her back. She hit me first. I hit her back.
Okay.
And then that's when the guys came over and was like trying to hold her back, like, stop.
Okay. Okay. All right. So. Yeah.
Yeah.
When you have cameras in here?
Yeah.
Where she was?
Well, she was in the corner. The camera doesn't see that corner over there, but the camera sees right here where she came at me. Yes.
So she chased after her boyfriend, and she came back in.
Yes, the boyfriend left, and when I went outside, I went out to have a cigarette, and I saw her running through the parking lot, opening the door, running after the car. So then he took off, and then she was walking back. I'm like, "You're done. You gotta go."
Yeah, yeah. Okay, and then that's when it happened. Okay. All right, I'll be right back.
Okay. No, over by the $1 bill.
I also got threatened by some other girls that just won't do it. I didn't attack her. She attacked me when she came out from behind the bar. I didn't go behind the bar.
She came from around the bar. It's not her for coming out with whoever's money. She attacked.
The tip money. That my boyfriend left.
That
my boyfriend left with my pocketbook and my keys.
Yep. What's your name, hon?
Leah.
Huh?
Leah.
Leah what?
Leah Karpinski.
Leah what?
Karpinski.
Where are you from?
Hazlitt.
Hazlitt? What were you doing down here?
I was with my boyfriend Rob Herbeck.
Huh? Where's he at?
He was driving away as I was trying to pull open the car doors to get my pocketbook and my keys because they were at the Belford C Street Marina. That's where my car was.
Alright, well, where's your cars? You just can put her in. Put her in, just get her statement, give her a written statement or whatever.
Alright, stand up.
Patrolman Connor walked inside to get a witness statement from the bartender while the other officers spoke to her outside. As Patrolman Connor returned to speak with the other officers outside, Leah was informed by Patrolman Flores that she was being placed under arrest. Patrolman Flores escorted Leah to the patrol car and transported her to the Highlands Police Department for further processing.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Here, give me that.
Can you please, sweetie,
Take the cigarettes
have
out of your
somebody
pocket.
come get me from the police station or from the fucking county?
Just put them on the ground. Just put 'em on the ground.
Yeah, he left.
Just turn around.
Look what's happening to me. Thanks to him.
I know.
Hold on.
Thank you.
Anything else in your pockets?
No.
No. All right, come on. We'll
Can
grab
you take my
your cigarette. We'll get 'em.
cigarette?
Yeah, we'll grab 'em. We'll grab 'em.
Thank you. Thank
1736 County. We're gonna have one female 41. Very so one female 41 there,
The other side.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sure. Just for a second.
Now this guy, will he pick you up?
I have
If we
no
call
clue.
him?
I don't know how to call anybody. I really don't. My phone is in his car.
Your phone's
My
in it.
dad's at a hotel where I was staying with my dad.
All right, do you know his number?
No, I don't.
So you don't know anybody's number?
I don't know anybody's number.
All right.
That girl right there that I talked to right before we left, she's the only person I have any connection to, like, outside with.
All right. So I'll just get a written statement. Do we even get a written statement?
I don't know. There's a million witnesses. You can get a written statement if you want. I mean, it was.
LT said the written statement, but I feel like it's so cut and dry. Like, why do you even
Get it?
I'd rather just get camera footage at that point. There's camera footage. I asked if there's cameras by the bar, and she did. So I guess the story lines up. They both say the same story, but she took all the cash off the bar.
She said she grabbed the tips off the bar.
Said,
the girl came around.
He was like, "Nah, like you can't be taking the tips." And when she chased after the car, bartender was like, "Nah, like you're not getting any more drinks."
She said she got mad because the girl cut her off. Yeah, because I guess Jen cut her off.
Yeah,
and then that was the end of it.
All right, so I'll attach her. Do you have a form, written statement form in your car or no?
Probably. Found one?
I'm gonna look in here. My one I use everything for doesn't have one.
I don't think so. Huh? No.
Alright, so I'll just go to the back and grab them.
Okay.
Wait, where were they?
I mean, it's also witnessed by multiple
Yeah,
off-duty law enforcement officers. So.
yeah, I know, but why not get it? And then if you want, I'll ask, do you want the security camera footage too or no?
Might as well.
Okay.
It just helps. You come back in, right? So we can get this done. (1736) County 1011. Starting.
Go ahead, 1736.
5145.9. En route to headquarters from 300 Bay Avenue. One female 41. Body cameras activated.
Receive 5145.9. Camera activated. Go. 1762 County. Can you tell them the New Jersey deal and just attach it for me? Yeah, 1762. Driving. Person.
(1736) County 1011. Landing.
Good.
5146.6.
514646 0015.
Yeah. Can you just open the door and close and all that stuff?
Okay.
So you have nobody you can call?
Nobody.
You don't know his number?
No, I don't know his number because my phone was at his house all day today, and I couldn't even call him from my dad's phone because I didn't know his number.
All right, just step up.
It's just, you know how it is. Like you put people's phone numbers in your phone, and you don't have their phone number.
No, I get it.
Yeah.
Just take a seat in that brown chair for now.
Okay.
All right. We can go off.
Yeah. Yeah, I just got to talk to you one more time. Hey, Jen. Can I talk to you one more time real quick? Thank you.
5.9 en route to headquarters from.
So the only thing I'm going to ask you to do, can you just do a written statement?
Sure.
Just explain what happened. That's all. I just have to grab the paper. I'm going to come back down
Absolutely.
and do it.
And as far as the camera goes,
yeah.
I don't have access to it.
So who does?
My boss. You can come in the morning, or I'll leave her a note.
All right, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
It's just more, you know, it just helps out.
I get it. And I mean, I'm not going to press charges against her because I'm not all about that.
Do you have a driver's license on you?
Yes,
just so
I
I
do.
can attach you to the thing.
Bye, babe. Yeah, we're good.
We're going to take a... Keep it under control, all right? Thank you. I'll be right back in with you. Sorry. 1760, 2 County. Can you 1011 New Jersey DL and just attach it for me?
After Leah was processed, she was released with the summons pending her appearance in the Highlands Municipal Court on July 18, 2023. Patrolman Connor provided her with a courtesy transport back to the extended stay America in Red Bank where she was staying. Leah was charged with simple assault to C, 12 to 1A1, and disorderly conduct to C, 33 to 2A1.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. I'll be back down a little bit. When you get off.
Okay, I probably won't go soon.
All right.
Like 1:32.
All right. You want me to come down then, just so you're not busy?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I mean, I can. If you want, I can bring it down.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I'll come down with you and bring it down.
Okay.
All right. Thanks.
What is he going?
I wasn't paying attention.